Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Way. Today we are diving into a comprehensive beginner guide on how to use Capcut, a powerful and user-friendly video editing app loaded with features. Whether you're a content creator, an aspiring filmmaker, or just looking to enhance your videos, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, let's introduce Capcut. If you are new, Capcut is a robust video editing application available in both Android and iOS. It's also accessible on Windows and Mac. I will provide a link in the description for you to download it for free. And once you have Capcut installed, the first step is to sign up and create an account. It's a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts to install the app and you are good to go. When you open Capcut, you will be greeted with a user-friendly interface. Let's explore the main features and tools available before we dive into advanced features. Let's cover the basics. To start a new project, click in the plus icon to import your video clips and ensure your Capcut is updated to the latest version to access all features. So here in this window you can import a new video clip like this, like I'm doing right now. With your media imported, use the trim tool to cut and arrange clips. You have to press the letter B or go here and click split and you can cut your video clip like this. Now let's move on to advanced editing features. CapCut offers filters, effects and transitions to add creative elements to your video. So to add an effect you have to go to effects right here, up here section and choose from various options. You have the pro version effects and the free effects like this. I can use it on here, so I'm going to play the video and as you can see I'm using an effect right here. Then when you select the selection tool you can control the audio, so you can have the basic configuration from audio and the voice changer. You can change the voice effects here. You have transitions like this. I can use I don't know, this here, and I'm going to play the video to show you. Okay, so here as you can see I use a transition. It's very cool, really. Then you have stickers here you can add to the video like this. As you can see I added this sticker here and you have a lot of options from gaming, trophies, fun, etc. Then you have the captions. You can generate AI transition. You can generate AI captions. It's very cool. I usually use it, but in Premiere Pro, but it takes a little while, so I'm not showing it right now. Here you have the export option, but I have to delete this emoji because it's premium. So when I press export, you have here the configuration to export. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips. Use the undo and redo button if you make a mistake. Explore CapCut in-app tutorial for more detailed guidance, and don't hesitate to experiment with different features to find your unique style. Filters, transitions, stickers, text, audio, and more are available for free. Congratulations, you have completed the beginner guide to CapCut. I hope this tutorial helped you unleash your creativity. If you found this guide useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy way tips, and feel free to leave your questions or share your CapCut creations in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy editing with CapCut. Stay tuned for more easy way tutorials. Bye bye.